Okay, so this video is for camera operators number 1, 2, and 3. The lead people should be able to pack up everything. Make sure it looks like this when you finish packing. All right, the camera goes in here. Make sure this is facing up and this is facing down because we don't want to mess up the lens here. So that's why it faces down like this. The mic and the cable of the mic is right here. And then you have your battery bank that charges this for long shoots. If we are doing a 1 hour shoot-ish, we don't need this. We only need this, okay? So this is how you pack it up. And then up here is where all the cables are. All right, let me just slide this over so you can see. This cable is for remote controlling by the handle on the tripod, okay? This cable right here, all right? And then this cable right here is for charging this while it's working for shoots that are longer than an hour and a half, okay? Because this thing only lasts for 2 hours. And this will help it last all day. So that cable goes there. This is for the more advanced camera. We're not going to learn that yet, but once you master this stuff, you will get to use this one. So leave this one alone. This is for connecting the HDMI to small HDMI, which is the HDMI micro. Okay, regular HDMI to HDMI micro. This sends the audio and video signal through here from the camera into the transmitter. And then we have this thing right here is the Magic Rig triple cold shoe that's going to convert 1 cold shoe or hot shoe into 3 cold shoes to hold all of your equipment. All right, let's set it up. So the first thing you do is you take the triple cold shoe and then you're going to slide it up on top. Make sure the Magic Rig is in the front. Slide it towards the front like that. Tighten this. Okay. Now you've converted from 1 to 3. And then the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this on top. Make sure that this is facing the back. Okay. Do not mess with this part right here on the top. You only tighten the bottom part right here. Okay. Tighten it down like so. All right. So now this looks like that. Okay. So when you take it off, just do the bottom part only. Do not do the top part. Now the next thing I'm going to do here is I am going to connect the HDMI cable. So you have any camera really, you're going to have a full-size HDMI like this. This is a full-size HDMI. Plug that in there. And then you are going to plug this small HDMI into the small HDMI or the micro HDMI. And then you're going to connect this. For a 3-hour shoot or long, you're going to connect this to the back here, like so, and plug this in, like so. This thing, see how it's turned on now? It is going to supply power to that transmitter to last all day long, okay? And then after that, you are going to take this right here, and you're going to plug this in and clamp it down to the handle of the tripod so you can, let me just show you a quick demonstration here. Zoom in, zoom out with the left side and right side rocker, and then you can start the record right there with that button. And then the last thing here is to put the microphone on, the side cold shoe right there, lock it down, lock it down in place, like so. All right, it's kind of hard here because it's heavy. And then you take this and plug it in to the side where you have the red microphone input jack. And there, it is ready to go. Now do not drag this. This is heavy, do not drag this, all right? Put this on top of the tripod. I would put this last, okay? I will put this on last. Why? Because I don't want this dangling and breaking this cable right here because it's like a really weak cable. You can break this easily. So that's how you set it all up. Now that you set it all up, how do you pack it? Unplug, put it here, unplug, 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 put it in the top one, right here, okay. Release that, unplug, put it right here. Again, I'm doing only the bottom part, okay. Unplug, unpressure, and then put it there. Take this out right here, okay. Put this up here, and then loosen this, take the pressure off of that, unscrew it, I guess. Done. Take this here, put it right there, again, this part up. Ready to leave. That's it. That's how you unpack, rig it up, and then put it back together, repack it.